Here is another example of an whole number in base 2 and we are converting to base 10. Let's solve. Solution. Now the first step here is to number the digits from the back starting from 0. That is, we have 1, 1, 0, 1, 1 base 2. Let's start numbering from the back starting from 0. So you have 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now after doing that, we write this becomes equal to, you start from the first digit, which we have as 1, 1, multiplied by the base 2, raised to the power of the number we have here for that particular digit, 4. Then we sum it up with the next digit, following the same process. That is, the next digit we have here is 1. So we say 1 multiplied by the base we have here, 2, raised to the power of the number we have here, 3, plus the next digit, 0, multiplied by the base 2 raised to the power of the number we have here, 2, plus the next digit, 1, multiplied by the base 2 raised to the power of the number we have here, 1, plus the next digit, 1, multiplied by the base we have, 2, raised to the power of the number we have, 0. Then we simplify. This becomes equal to 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 4. That means 2 times 2 times 2 times 2. 4 times 1, 2, 3, 4. So 2 multiplied by 2 here, that's 4. Multiplied by 2, 8. Multiplied by 2, 16. So you have 16 here, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 3. That means you have 2 times 2 times 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. So 2 raised to the power of 3 here gives us 8, plus 0 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 2. That's 2 multiplied by 2. 2 times 2, 4. So you have 4 here, plus 1 times 2 raised to the power of 1. That means just 2. So we are still having our 2, plus 1 multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0 is 1. Because anything raised to the power of 0 gives us 1. So you have 1 here. Then we simplify further. 1 multiplied by 16, you have 16, plus 1 multiplied by 8, you have 8, plus 0 multiplied by 4, 0, plus 1 multiplied by 2, 2, plus 1 multiplied by 1, 1. Let's add. 16 plus 8, that gives us 24, plus 0, 24, plus 2, 26, plus 1, 27. So we have 27 base 10. And that's how to convert whole number in base 2 to base 10. Thank you.